During a consultation, you may need more than just a client's birth details. You might also want to check their previous consultation history, important life events, contact information, and family relationships. JyotishGrid's client management workflow keeps all of this information organized in one place, making every consultation more structured and personalized. Hello. Welcome to JyotishGrid. When an existing client comes back for another consultation, it's not practical to ask for their birth details, previous consultation history, and family information all over again. In this video, we'll see how client management helps you keep all this information organized in one place. You can access client management directly from the shortcut on the dashboard. You can also use the client management icon in the left navigation panel to access your client records anytime. You can use either of these options, depending on what works best for your workflow. Here, you can see all your saved clients in one place. When a returning client comes back for another consultation, you can simply open their profile here and access their previous details and records. If you want to add a new client, simply click Add New Client and create a new client profile. First, you need to fill in the general information. Here, enter the client's name, date of birth, place of birth, and other required information. Then complete their gender, email, and the remaining details. This information becomes the basis for all the astrology, numerology, and other analyses you perform later. Here, you can add an additional description about the client. You can also add tags to organize clients into different categories, making them easier to manage later. This makes it easier to find a specific client in the future. In the Referred By field, you can select the person or source through which the client came to you. This is useful for referral tracking and managing professional relationships. Now, let's move to the Contact Details section. Here, you can enter the client's mobile number, address, and other contact information, such as multiple phone numbers, residential address, or office address. You can save them as separate entries as well. This ensures that you have the correct contact information available for future consultations or follow-ups. Now, let's move to the Events section. Here, you can add important events from the client's life. You can record important events such as a career change, marriage, childbirth, accident, or any other major life event. You can also record other important events along with their date and description. Here, you'll find the date range option. Select Yes for events that continue over multiple days, and No for events that happen on a single day. For example, we've selected Job here. Since a job change is a single-day event, we've selected No and entered a single date. After selecting the date, you can add more details about the event in the description field. If you want to add multiple events for the client, simply click Add Event. You can also remove an event anytime by clicking the Delete icon. After adding all the important events, let's move to the Family Relations section. If any of the client's family members are already added to JyotishGrid, you can link their profile here as a related client. First, enter the family member's name. Then select the relationship type to specify whether they are the client's spouse, sibling, child, or another family relation. Here, you can use the description field to add any additional information about the family member. You can also click Add Relation to add other family members of the client. Similarly, you can click the Delete icon to remove any family member. Once you've added all the required family members, click Create to create the client's profile. Once you click Create, you'll be taken to the Saved Clients page, where you can see all your saved clients. From here, click the Edit icon to open a client's profile and make changes if needed. Inside the client profile, you'll find all the information related to that client on a single page, including their family members. If you want to view a family member's profile, simply click on their name to open their profile. In a family member's profile, you can also see all of their linked relationships. For example, we added Ayushi as Rohan's sister, so Rohan also appears in Ayushi's family relations. Now, if you want to go back to the client's profile, which in this case is Rohan, simply click on Rohan's name to open his profile again. In the client's profile, you can also see who referred the client to you. Along with this, you can view the client's events, address, and other related information in the same profile. If you need to change any information, simply click the Edit icon. Update the required details, and then click Save Changes. You can update any of the information available here whenever needed. The updated information will appear on the client's profile. You can update the client's details anytime in the future, which helps keep their records up to date. Along with the client's basic information, you can also edit and update their addresses, contact numbers, and important events whenever needed. You can also use the Tags field to add new tags to the client's profile. This way, you can easily manage all your clients' information, important life events, and family relationships in one place. If you want to analyze the same client using numerology, astrology, or any other feature, simply select the relevant feature from the client dashboard on the right. For example, when you click Astrology, you'll be taken directly to that client's astrology page, where you can view all their calculations and analysis. In this video, we learned how client management helps you manage a client's general information, contact details, life events, and family relations all in one place. We also saw how you can use the same client profile to easily access other astrology and numerology features in JyotishGrid. If you'd like to explore JyotishGrid in more detail or book a live demo, you can use the link provided in the description. See you in the next video. Thank you.